Hello members, once again with the topic of support and resistance level. Today I'm going to share you the new idea about the support and resistance level. In this idea you will get the accurate support and resistance levels where you are in the uptrend or you are in the downtrend where there is no price action in the past. How you will find the support and resistance level. That concept called as the 50% body of the candle give you the accurate support and resistance level. Every body which have a 50% level, this 50% level give you the accurate support and resistance idea. But the terms and condition for the candle is you don't have the price action in the past. When you are in the uptrend like that, there is no price action in the past, you can take the 50% level of the candles and get the support and resistance ideas, because there are so many traders are confused when they are in the trend and they don't find the support and resistance level. It's a good idea and technique about the support and resistance. We are here if we can draw the support and resistance level uh, on the 50% of the candle body, that we can get the so many support and resistance levels. The main thing that you just draw the line from body to body, it will give you the accurate measurement of the candle that where is the 50% level. So this white dot shows that there is a 50% level. Now we have to draw the horizontal line on the 50% level and we will check the support and resistance level in the past, that is it a level or not. Okay, so that level in the past we will check that that is the level or not. We go in the past, it's showing that that is the accurate support and resistance level. So once again, we are finding the examples. If there is no price action in the past, then we will find the support and resistance levels. So here, that is another candle, the big candle. Always follow the big candles. That is a confirmation that where is the 50% level. Just to practice, then you will be able to draw without confirmation. That is the level here. So that is the 50% level. Look at in the future, and after this candle, these are the candles working rejecting from the resistance line because price is below. Now we are going in the past to confirm that that is the accurate level or not level. So it will give you the idea about the support and resistance, how much it is accurate. It's accurate. So always it's working in the trend when you don't have a price action in the past. So how much candles, 15 to 20 candles, if you don't have in the past, you can take idea from this candle 50% level. Here once again we have this candle and the body to body will take a measurement and we will see there is a support and resistance level or not. Okay, there is another round number here, it's acting as a support and resistance, but we have to identify that this 50% level is working or not working. So that is a level in the future. Look at the candlestick white reject from the 50% level of the body. Here the candlestick white rejects from the 50% of the body sub resistance level, and we are going to check in the past. So it will look at this, which shows that the price rejected right from this level. It means it's a support and resistance level. And so much, if we go so much past, you will get so many levels here. Once again we are in the uptrend and there is no price action in the past. No, so now we have to take the idea that if there is a support and resistance level or not. So that is a 50% level accurate. Okay, you confirm with the line that that is a 50% level is not a little bit above. Okay, so now it's accurate. So look at in the future, it gives you entry about there is a support. Okay, the market is going in up direction, and here market rejecting, get market getting again support from the level, getting again support from, and we have to test on the past that if there is a level or not level. So look at that, it shows that there is a false breakout of the 50% level, and it shows the resistance here. And if you go in the past, it will give you accurate information where it create that, it give you the accurate information that there is a support level in the past, resistance level in the past. So that technique is very important technique here. That is a candle, and also the round number shows on the 50% level it acts as a support and resistance level. But now on this candle, now we have to find the support and resistance level. There is a 50% level. Okay, so 50% level, its level, and in the future it will act as a support level, and here look at act as a support level. And in the past we have to confirm this level, that is a level or not. Look at, there is a overlapping of the candlestick and getting support from this level, and here is a resistance on this level. So it's working very well in the trend market. In the trend market, don't confuse on the support and resistance level. This idea will give you the support and resistance idea. Here that is a 50% level, we have to confirm first, and it will give you the so many ideas about the 50% level. Little bit down the candle. So look at in the future it give you the support level, and in the past if we test this level, you will get the support and resistance level. How much it request, you can go for the 2 days, 3 days back for the confirmation. When you confirm and understand the concept, you don't have to go for the past. I just give you the confirmation that look at this, how the support and resistance concept is working. Okay, chart is not opening here, I have to wait. But we have another options here. We can look at back. No, chart is not going back. So here, once again, we draw the support and resistance level on the where we found there is no past price action. Okay, my internet problem. So there is these are the levels where you find there is no price action in the past. You can take idea of the 50% level. It give you the information that is the 50% level. So 50% level acts as a support and resistance. Look at that is a support level. That is a support level. In the future, it will work as a support and resistance level. Here, acting as a resistance level. Acting as a resistance level. So 50% idea is very good idea. You can add in your strategies. It will give you so much winning ratio. Thank you so much for watching my video.